Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, those of you who had known me, when I say know me, whether personally or not, whether you know me on a personal basis, before I joined the police force, or me growing up, you understand, like, there's so many, I couldn't, mention so many communities and all these things, you understand, where people knew me before I was a police officer, before I joined the police force. And, this woman had made a comment. Interested stated that one of the main reasons why, I stand up for the police force and love the police force so much is because more or less the police force saved my life. Yeah, was this true? And I must admit that is so true. Because, and I can tell you, it is so true. So I really love the police force because it's everything to me. Yeah, nothing else. So, as you have seen, as I always said to you, our loyal viewers and subscribers and member of the Jamaica Patreon squad, when it comes to police officer, one thing I do not like are thieving police officers. Yeah, man, I hate them with a passion because these are the guys that give the good police officers bad name. Yes, and you understand what I'm saying? So, this is what we have to tell police officers in 2024. Always, whenever you're doing your job, always have it in the back of your head that there's a camera pointing at you. Through the lens of accountability. A message to police officers in 2024. We address a crucial aspect of modern policing. As society continues to evolve, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel understand the immense scrutiny and challenges police officers face today, daily, in the world, especially in Jamaica. So as we step into the future, every policeman needs to keep this message at the forefront of their minds. Always be aware of the presence of video cameras. Let me repeat that to all my police officers. Always be aware of the pressure of video cameras. In today's digital age, where information travels at lightning speed, it is crucial to recognize that your action may be captured and scrutinized. You understand? We're not going to tell you, you understand what I'm saying? So you have to always be cognizant of the fact that, yes, anytime you step out of a police vehicle or anything, you understand? Especially traffic police. I know people, most motorists, them always have bad things to say about traffic police. So what traffic police must understand, you see the days gone by when you stop a man and him break the road traffic act and he may just give a thing and take a thing and that's it. You can't do that now, because cameras. Yes. We're not saying what you were doing then was right, What does I tell you say you can't do it now? It's wrong. And what do it now? You'll be caught on camera easily. You understand? So the significance of accountability cannot be emphasized enough. Unfortunately, some individuals in our society hold negative perceptions towards law enforcement officers. So police officers need to comprehend the gravity of their role and responsibility that comes with it. This video is not meant to condemn or belittle police officers. Instead, it serves as a reminder to always make conscious choices and uphold the law with integrity. we understand that law enforcement personnel are human beings too. And like all humans beings, they are susceptible to making mistakes. We expect them, we understand them, we expect them to make mistakes. But we not supposed, you understand, we not kill them when they make mistakes. But some things, no, we not cut them the slack. So we as a society must acknowledge the inherent complexity of policing and the demanding situations officers face. However, it is equally essential for officers to strive for excellency and continually hold themselves accountable for their actions. Transparent policing foster trust and strengthen the bond between law enforcement and the community they serve. So through this video, we aim to foster a constructive dialogue around the challenges faced by police officers in 2024. We invite viewers, regardless of your perspective, to respectfully discuss this crucial topic. By encouraging open communication, we can find common ground and work toward enhancing the relationship between law enforcement and the communities they protect. Ultimately, this message aims to shed the spotlight of what police officers can do and cannot do in 2024, as the camera will catch you. So, you watch, you listen, and you decide, and then, we continue the journey.
Not readable? Sir, this is not readable? This is what you're telling a Canadian citizen, that this is not readable. Can I have your badge number and your name, please?
Police don't carry badge number.
What's your name, sir?
I am Constable Lee.
Constable Lee. Okay, guys. Right? Constable Lee is saying that my vehicle right here he cannot see this. Constable Lee. Right here. Constable Lee. Are you going to impound my vehicle because you cannot see this? All right, sir. Here he is, guys, right here. And he's saying this is not visible. Constable Lee is saying this is not visible right here. Constable Lee right here is saying this is not visible. Right here. So this is not visible, even though your officer just let me go right there. I can even see the officer. He just let me go. You're going to impound my vehicle. He's saying this is not visible, guys. Sir, right here. Come on, bro. Here, take the key and impound the vehicle, Constable. Yeah, I want you guys to see what's happening. What's my infraction? There is no infraction. He's impounding my vehicle because this is not visible and this is not visible. Right here. Right here.
Tell me when you finish, yeah?
Yeah. You see what I'm saying? You see what he says is not visible? This is not visible? Better you just come with something different, man. Come, you're breaking the law. You are breaking the law. This is not the law. You're breaking the law. And you want to impound the vehicle and break the law. Come on, man. That's wrong, man. It's better you just ask me for a thing and done. This is not visible. This is not visible. What's the infraction? There is no infraction. Can you imagine? He wants to impound the vehicle because he says this is not visible and that's not visible. Come on, man. Come on, man. That is so wrong. That is so wrong. This car has insurance, everything. I'm disappointed in you. I'm disappointed in you. You know why I'm disappointed in you? I explained to you that your fellow officer stopped me right there at the intersection and let me go after we spoke. You now stop me and tell me that this is not visible and this is not visible. Right here. This is not visible. This officer right here. Come on, man. Why are you going to make a scene? It's Friday. Just ask me for some money and done. You know what I mean? Come on. I don't even live here, bro. Broski, I don't live in Jamaica. I just came here to visit. This guy wants to take the car. And look what he says is not visible. That sticker right there, he says is not visible. And my license plate cover is not visible. Come on. That's why you want to take my car because of this? Come on, man. That's wrong, man. You're wrong for that. His officer just stopped me at the intersection and let me go. He ride me down because he saw expensive car thinking I'm rich. Come on, man. You're wrong, man. You're wrong. Yeah, look why he's pounding my vehicle. He says this is not visible and this is not visible. Your officer just stopped me right there. So give me a ticket. Why are you impounding my vehicle?
Because you know, they conviction for it.
Okay. All right. Cool. You want to take the vehicle? Go ahead, take it. Yeah. Can I have my ticket, please? Can I have my documents and my ticket? That's fine. Now you want to follow the rules. After you just done broke all the rules. Yeah, it's okay. Why would you impound the car? I should get a ticket. There's no, what's the major infraction for you to be taking the vehicle?
It's not tickets, it's tickets.
Tickets for what?
More than one.
What ticket? What is the infraction for? The sticker that everybody can see? Even a blind person, the plate cover? That is a clear plate cover? You're illegally taking my vehicle. Come on, bro. I want to make sure you go viral for this one, man. Yeah, right here. Come on, man. Yeah. Yeah. It doesn't matter. Why would you take a car like that? Give me a ticket, let me go over my business. I'm not a criminal. You know what I mean? There's so much criminals here you could be spending your time with. You know? Come on, man.
Understanding you. Speak now, let us understand.
I'm disappointed that you're breaking the rules. Yeah, but I know I can't win you. It's okay. It's okay. You win, man. You win, you win. You got me. You ruined my trip to Jamaica. You ruined it. Thank you. You ruined it. Look, his is tinted and not stopping him. It's not visible. Come on, man. Look at the man's car he just took away. For what reason, I don't know. You know what I mean? Give me a ticket, let me go. You're gonna take the car. So just come talk to me then, bro. We're a man. I'm gonna take your car. Come on, I literally just got stopped right there. I'm gonna walk back to the officer. You know?
Come on, walk back to the officer.
Yeah, because he's gonna say he let me go, and then I'm gonna have evidence that not only did he let me go and tell me, okay, this is the only issue. Half a second later, you stop me. Yeah. You see, we have evidence. It's a regular thing for you. You can't even put this car in a record. Come on, man. Come on, man. What are you guys doing? This is not even how you lift this car. You guys gonna destroy the car? Come on, man. For this is not visible, my nigga. Come on, man.
Sir, just hold on and get control of yourself.
I am control. I'm disappointed, man.
Sir, you're going to
A lost document fee
Right.
at Elliston Road.
Right.
I don't think I lost anything.
No, man, that's the name of the document.
Okay.
That's the name of the fee you will purchase at the tax office. And then now, you will come to Elliston Road to have a replacement fee there for you. Then you can go to the tax office and purchase a new license. A replacement license because that one is not expired.
A replacement license there?
Yes, right.
Is that you're talking about the sticker?
Yes, sir.
Why do I need a new sticker if that one is
That one is not readable.
that one is not readable?
Right. And I will have explained that to you.
And what about my car? Where is it going?
27 Lindos.
27 Lindos Road? So how much it costs to get it off?
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I'm not sure, but I can assist you with. You said, ask them to fill out the last document form for you so you can purchase a replacement. That's what I can do. Alright?
I don't even know what you just said a while ago. Alright guys, so this happened today. This happened on, where is this? Egley Park. Right there at the intersection, just after you pass with the Portmore buses by York Plaza. Right? February 9th, Friday, February 9th. It was like just after 1. I really don't know why I decided to go to officer. I wasn't thinking. I got stopped by a police officer, last name Thomas, right by the NCB. He was cool. He understood. I told him that's how I got the car with the front windshield tinted all the way down, because apparently half the car is supposed to be, half the front windshield could be tinted. Then this officer, as I'm driving
to I don't even reach the stoplight where the Portmore bus is. I don't even reach there yet. He comes out in the middle of the road, but I'm thinking it couldn't be me he's stopping because Officer Thomas already stopped me and let me go. Right? So why would they be stopping me twice at the same spot? That's weird, right? So anyways, I keep driving, so I'm going down. I'm right by the Bryant wholesale right there. By the big church, Bryant Wholesale. There's a Bryant Wholesale there and a barber shop in the corner. This guy rides on the driver's side, riding me down. So I open the window, I pull over. I was already on the...
Yeah, so what this man don't understand, is not every Jamaican police are corrupt. And, you heard him, telling the policeman, say, hey, look, all if you do is just ask me for a thing. I watch you, I drive a BMW and Constable Thomas stop me and... But the thing is that, remember, what most people do not know, police have the discretion. If Constable Thomas or whoever I want to say stop him before and give him a break, that's what you call, the policeman uses discretion. So that's why we are telling you, police officers, whenever you are doing your job, make sure at all times you just do the right thing. Because if Constable Lee had done anything inappropriate and wrong, it will be all over YouTube. Just the way that you're seeing it right now, because someone had sent the video itself to us, and that's why you're seeing it. You understand? And then people are saying that this man have been berating the policeman as if the policeman did something wrong. So ultimately, this message aims to inspire positive change, promote empathy, and reiterate the importance of accountability in law enforcement. We can contribute to building a safer and more understanding society by highlighting these crucial aspects. So let's move forward together with hope of a brighter future. So, we present an incident involving a Jamaican police officer. As you have seen it, leave you speechless. It's no secret that bad news captures attention, especially when it concerns law enforcement officers. Anything to do with police, boy, people love it and them thing, and especially bad news. If it's something good, them don't want to hear that and them thing there. Yeah. Anything bad about the police, that sell, because that's how society is. Because society always tends to gravitate towards negativity. That's why they say bad news sell. If news is positive, if you post something positive, trust me, you're not going to get the views than if you post something negative. But like for us now, we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we don't posting because of views. We're posting because we want to educate, inform, and inspire people for them to aspire to become the better self. And we are all about saving lives here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. And I hope the police hierarchy have watched and seen this video that Constable Lee is an exemplary police officer. You notice, at any time, he wasn't disrespectful to this man. He told the man what he has done wrong, but this man thought that, he's kind of arrogant. Wanted to tell the policeman how to do his job. You can't do that. You understand? So it's no secret that bad news capture attention, especially when it comes down to police officers. And this unthinkable event occurred on February 9th, 2024 in half a 3 year, and we are here to present you, as we have done, we present the footage because he's the man that recorded it. We haven't received the recording from Constable Lee, and we applaud him for his behavior. So as you have seen, that the content that you have seen and witnessed may be shocking to some. Some would be, very, very happy to see how the policeman behave in a professional manner. You understand? Those who do not like police, no matter what the police do. Because you have people who are criminal-minded, never like police. Them just want a society where them make the rules. Them not want to abide by any rules. Even criminals. And we say it without any apologies, because the same criminal, they are the ones that want to give people in their community rules and how them supposed to operate. Believe you me. Which is just kind of crazy. You understand? So, and we hope that the footage, does not surprise you. But while we invite you to share your thoughts on the situation, remember to share the video. So any additional information or context will not accompany the video. We want you to experience it unbiasedly and form your own opinions. So that's why we don't edit anything. We just let you see it. So this was an unbelievable incident involving a Jamaican police officer, and we just want you to share your thoughts. Let we know. Share your thoughts below in the comment section. So we at the Jamaica Young Police channel. We make blog videos about corrupt politicians, corrupt police officers, corrupt judges, gunmen who are parasites to law-abiding citizens and the criminal rights group. Because we believe that criminals and corruptors, murderers, must live in fear of losing their freedom and lives, not the law-abiding citizens. So if this is the first time you're at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications. Remember to give the video a thumbs up. If you find it helpful and informative, you can join the Patreon squad. Yes, by doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore content that complies with laws, rules, and regulation while avoiding disruptions to our channel functionalities. So thank you for your continuous support, and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel are dedicated to educating and informing our audience about issues facing our beloved country, Jamaica. Our mission is to inspire and encourage you to unlock Jamaica's potential. We believe that knowledge is power, and by spreading awareness, we can regain control of our country from the 63 individuals who have been repeatedly failed us for decades. One thing that we can count on is the truth, and nothing but the truth. That's the only thing that we can count on, and that's all they're gonna get over here. So I hope that after you watch the video footage, shows a jaw-dropping encounter between an arrogant Canadian driver and a Jamaican cop by the name of Constable Lee, leaving you shocked, amazed, and stunned. The incident unfolded as a Canadian driver brazenly believing he's above the law just because he's behind the wheel of a BMW car commits an unthinkable act that crosses all boundaries. So he breached the Road Traffic Act and he felt like he's not accountable to the laws of Jamaica. So that's how some Jamaicans are. They migrate and they become citizens of another country, especially Canada, America, Britain, and they want to talk to the Jamaican police them like they are nothing. But you must remember that the police are the one that kept us safe in Jamaica. So as tension rise, the driver stoops even lower by antagonizing the Jamaican police officer. Man start antagonize Constable Lee, accusing him of being driven by envy and a negative mindset known as bad mind. So he might tell Lee, say, actually you're bad mind, show me a driver BMW. If you don't want a thing, ask me for your thing. That is just rude, So astonishingly, the driver had the audacity and dare to claim that offering a simple favor would have resolved the situation. So he might tell the police, boy, look, Virgin, you could have just asked me for your thing, So because the policeman asked him for your thing now, because you don't know, so he would have want something for go back to Canada and say, boy, people from Jamaica, me have all police, me have a Virgin, who a trooper in Florida, and him go to Jamaica, and him come back and tell me about the left and right thing, and when him tell them, say, my police, and you understand what I'm saying? I'm saying, me have a good friend and him thing name was Detective in America, Hunsby and all kind of thing, and him mentioned, you understand? But he's a born Jamaican, but him leave Jamaica from him a kid. And that's what me did meet him when you understand what I'm saying? Because him did in the military, so. And him a state trooper in Florida. And he's the one that told me about the, so him say, boy, left and right, right mean your right ticket. And but him say, him just give him a 50 US and tell him, him say, he said at the time when them stop him don't know if him in a speed or anything because he was talking on the phone. So him not go tell him lie upon the police them. But the $50 him give him, him say I don't know bribe. You understand? And them never ask him in other way there. You understand? Although them say left and right and me say one of them jokingly, I say, boy, I like how you're a policeman, you don't know it go man, so don't get wicked, because so we are poor people, we're just little above the poverty line. But I tell you like we're thirsty and all them things there, so anything where you can do for it, I just saw it go, we just I beg you. And him say him just give them 50 US. Him say them never, like a quid for pro, so he never see it as no bribe still. And him say, boy, I see him thing him experience when he got Argentina. Yeah, him say Argentina police them even worse. You understand? Yeah. And that him say. And him can him speak in bilingual, Yeah, you understand? Although him a Jamaican, him speak Spanish fluently. You understand? Yeah, so so the behavior of the Canadian driver, man, it was despicable, violent, disgusting display of disrespect towards our Jamaican law enforcement officer, showcases how some individual perceive authority. And every police officer Jamaica, depend on the take, have a price. Some police, you have some police, you good police officer, I tell you, you see one of them you see with the grey hair and them are corporal and sergeant. The only reason why them still the same because them not depend on the take and them not do nothing for nobody, them not commit no crime and all them things there. Yeah, because I tell you, I will soon tell you on them thing there. You have police officer right now on them thing there where seize a tanker full of gas, and not even him sees it, and then the owner then after that the police empty out the tanker gas, and sell it in a police station at Huntsby, and then after that the owner for each truck, have to give policeman money for release it, and that the policeman they get promotion the other day to deputy superintendent of police, Because the owner, you understand, the owner contact you and tell you, So, boy, I'm a supporter, I not even know, say, you're on YouTube until a virgin, me da Greenwich Charm, and a man say, hey, you remember the ballad police here and all them things. So, I just saw it go. So, we tell you about that and them thing, because, hey, the people, them tired of extortionists, them. And that the man, they are a deputy soup now. And you understand? And him know himself, the deputy soup know himself. So, we continue the journey, you understand? So amidst this disheartening display, there is a shining beacon of hope in the form of this exemplary Jamaican cop, man, Constable Lee, fearlessly standing up against the driver's outrageous behavior. So Constable Lee has shown that he's an honest police officer, man, and he's the epitome of integrity and justice, and just him have to keep it that way, You understand? Him have to keep it that way. So the world see the stark contrast between the two worlds as the Canadian driver fails to display the moral fortitude expected back in Canada. So you understand? So he want to put down Jamaica and I say, I pay it licky and thief in police down here. And Constable Lee, and I saw it working a boss with different and me and ordinary police. So as those of you who are were shocked and amazed as you witness this captivating incident caught on camera. The arrogant Canadian driver offends and underestimated the Jamaican cops' authority. That a Constable Lee. Yeah, man, so this video reminds us that the respect of our Jamaican cops should never be taken for granted. So you have to just respect Constable Lee. So I hope other police officers are watching, because there's this guy from Montego Bay, You understand? We say him have recording with police, I collect money and all kind of things. Yeah, somebody called me and say, boy, I'm a scammer. And say, yeah, I lie him a tell upon Watson. Man say, yeah, one and two little things about Watson, but I lie him a tell about Laverick give Watson $7 million. Pure lie, that and all them things. And, it's a youth. The youth will call, say, the brother when I talk to him, a scammer. Yeah, him a scammer. That's how man say. And the man say, I dip him, get dip and all kind of things. So, I just saw it go. So, moving on. So, we wanted to steer more for empowering and enlightening content from our channel. So and subscribe, to stay updated with the latest stories from Jamaica's finest law enforcement officers. together we raise awareness and inspire change for a better tomorrow. That's how we're all about. And so we can tell you, that we applaud Constable Lee. But the only thing that witnessed the unwavering courage and integrity of Constable Lee of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Regardless of the origin or vehicle, he has refused to be swayed or intimidated by anyone. However, we feel compelled to offer Constable Lee a crucial piece of advice. Yeah, man, the reason why we are telling that, Lee, yeah, and to other police officers. We see many Jamaican police officers, all them carry them sidearms. So we just impart this to you guys and them thing. Because we are telling you, so we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, yeah, we have it with DD 214. We have the medal there. Sharpshooter, a marksman. We have that with DD 214. Yeah, we attack with the pistol and the rifle and the various rifle. Sharpshooter, marksman. Yes. And I just saw it go. So based on what we are impart some things to you guys, and you understand what I'm saying? And we say why we have to tell Constable Lee this, we feel compelled to offer Constable Lee and other police officers a crucial piece of advice regarding handling his firearm. That means your sidearms we attack. So as someone who has been trained by the finest in the United States military, I have witnessed evidence, back data, showing that adjusting the way he carries his firearm could potentially save his life. It may take an extra 5 seconds for him to draw his weapon from the holster, but those precious seconds can make all the difference in a life-threatening situation. So the reason why we are telling that now, Constable Lee and the others, I hope you're not listening. You see, by the time you're supposed to draw your gun, them sure we, several occasions and several, them sure with police, people in the military, because one thing with Uncle Sam and them training and them thing, everything, them use data, You understand? Because they don't want people to make the same mistake. And them show us the video, police officer in a problem, and I try to draw him gun, and I tell us, and them show, if the timer, 5 seconds, them lose them life. 5 seconds just to reach them gun, the way that Constable Lee have it. And them show you, say, you see it? Your 5 seconds is like eternity. So it best, yeah, your gun supposed to be right on your belt. So that's why if you look even upon the Navy SEAL, them what them dress and all of them things, because I was in the Navy, if you look, the Navy SEAL them have them gun right and them sidearms, them Beretta, because Beretta, when I make criminal know this and them thing there, them have the sidearm right on them waist. And there's a reason. 5 seconds. So when you have your gun on, it's like some cowboy and show and this and that, you do yourself a disservice. Not only that, if your hand get incapacitated, yes, you can't use the same hand where the gun for suppose. Try use your other, because them show we, try and use your other hand, your right hand or left hand and your gun the way you down there. So try and use your other hand and reach at the same gun and see if you can reach it. You can't. You cannot reach it. You're not going to aim if you take it out at the holster if you get shot and that hand immobilized. You can't move that hand. So even that. But if it's in your waist, look how easy you pull it out. Just try that. But as a teacher, I'll give you a tip to save your life. Because some of the feel say, boy, this thing is show business and no. Because even when we are police and them thing, even at training school, them the teach you that and them thing, that a man named All Fart and a man named Clemenson and Roddy Bailey was a sharpshooter. The man that shoot 10 cents. Roddy Bailey, may I tell you, him named Roddy Bailey, him left them dead as a sergeant. Why may I tell you? But him was an alcoholic and them thing. I just saw it going them thing. The man him did bright though, but hey look, police work hard, man. And some people all them escape them demon as if drink. Because a man at work and him can't afford certain things and you understand? So I just saw it go. So that's where it is. So moving on. So as we tell you on them things, so it's a difference between life and death. So you understand. So we standing off this Jamaican police officer fearlessness showcasing and yielding integrity, seldom seen elsewhere. While we applaud his unshakable dedication, we must give him crucial life-saving advice. So let us unite in support of Constable Lee as we delve into the imperative impact of minor adjustment in firearm handling. As we tell you already, it's incontestable data-backed knowledge passed down from me by some of the United States military top experts, knowledge that I strongly urge Constable Lee to heed. Take advantage of this incredible display of bravery and the vital guidance offered to Constable Lee. So as we just tell you, because police, we love we don't like anytime anything happen to police officer and them thing. Because when it come on to your life, a one life you have, you know lucky like, I say criminal get shot all in them head, and them still, and them not dead. I say police get shot in them finger and dead. I'm just kind of kidding, you understand? I'm just, but police get shot all in them foot and dead still. Because it hit the main artery and him just bleed to death. So have yourself a beautiful day. And Constable Lee, good job, man. Jamaica Young Police Channel, out.